Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to my humble home in Livingston, Montana. I bet you folks are thinking, boy, what is this goon looking like? What does this goon think he is? Well, I'm going to grab up my camera. We're going to do a little walk and talk here. To set the stage here, it is Saturday, May 23rd. Saturday, May 23rd of 2020. Now, I woke up this morning and boy, she was coming down, and I'm talking about snow. And that's one of the things I've always tried to reiterate or reinforce or talk about on my channel is how the weather here is how the weather changes, and it can change very, very fast in the state of Montana. You take like yesterday, there was two or three of us working around in my yard. It was a little windy, a little nasty, but it certainly wasn't snowing out. So I just thought, for personally myself, I hate snow scenes, okay? Because I grew up around snow all my life, and that to me, there's nothing picturesque about it. Snow means one thing to me: cold, cars that don't start, and crap like that, bad traction, bad roads, and every other thing. But anyway, we're burning daylight. So let's walk and talk here. Show you this little scene while I'm at it. I go barging over to the door here. Yeah, some pretty big flakes out here. Yeah, this is a good old Montana snowstorm. Big flakes. You zoom in on my pickup right there. Just think we were out here doing all kinds of yard work yesterday. I've done a bunch of edging there and getting ready to clean up our patio there, put new barrels. I got some real live wooden barrels I'm going to put in there. But yeah, let's walk out here for a while. This lens is probably going to get pretty doggone full of moisture where you can't see nothing, but let me just take a little truck around my property here. I haven't even had my coffee yet. I'm telling you, to be out here at this time of the morning with no coffee, are you kidding me? This is like committing suicide, so to speak. I'm just kidding, don't get nervous. Yeah. Anyway, the corner of my property. Yeah, and it gets like this, you can't even... Oh, I think they already been up here and plowed, I think, maybe. This is where I came from, but I can say probably get a lot of snow. This is a really wet snow. Probably get a lot of snow on my lens, so you won't be able to see nothing, but... Oh yeah, here's my little bird feeder. Might as well show you something more interesting than snow. Come on, little guys. Boy, look, I filled that up yesterday, and look at how much they ate, these little gluttons. Okay, here we go. A good old May snowstorm. I got my friend of mine is staying here for a while. This is his van. And, oh yeah, there's the barrels we're getting ready to recondition to put flowers in and whatnot, have you. Let me walk by here. Okay. Well, made one great big loop. Like I say, there's nothing too awful exciting about snow as far as I'm concerned. Anyway, let me go in the house. That's enough of this fun. Like I say, I haven't even had my coffee yet. Gotta make sure. Okay. Okay. Let me set this down for a second. Hang on, don't get too nervous. Okay. Yeah. Well, that'll wake you up early in the morning. Yeah, I gotta fix me some coffee, and then so my brain gets to working and whatnot have you. But I just thought you'd like to see that scene, because you know, really this weather can change. And I'm not talking about say over a period of a couple of days. This weather can really change literally daily. Actually, sooner than that. You know, every 12 hours or so. The saying here in Livingston, if you don't like the weather, wait 10 minutes. That's the deal. So, anyway, that's my spring snowstorm. And will we get more? Probably. You just never know in this country. Okay. I gotta go get me some coffee, ladies and gentlemen. That's just all there is to it. Way too early this morning for all this nonsense, but I do appreciate you visiting me here in my home in Livingston, Montana. And like usual, like I'm famous or infamous for saying, we shall see you on down the trail. And adios, my friends.